Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we are going to prep and then spin some beautiful alpaca fiber. I think it's Surrey alpaca, the softer one. Yeah, I got it from a farm that's local to me. The lady had this big bag of alpaca, and I couldn't say no because it's so soft, and those alpaca are so cute in the field too. So yeah. Now I'm slowly spinning a sweater spin, so this is what I've done so far. I have about maybe 700 meters, maybe a little more. I don't remember exactly how many meters I have, but I need to get to like towards the 1,200, 1,300 meters to be able to do my sweater. So I scoured the floof. Now let's comb the floof. And then spin the floof. These are my beautiful 3D printed combs that my friend made for me. Well, he printed them and then I stuck some nails through it. And then like the design has a slider thingy in there and it kept falling up, so I epoxied it inside and now it's super solid. I'll put the link to that model in the description below. It was a free pattern I found on the internet. I'm quite happy with the design. It's pretty cool. I hope you guys are having a great day or evening or morning so far. I am evening right now. Had a very quiet day at the house with the dog. By the way, this is not a tutorial. I'm not the best at combing, but I'm having fun, and that's all that matters. So you don't need to be an expert to do stuff. So we are the next day. Last night I combed all my beautiful little alpaca clouds. We have a beautiful basket of little donuts, and let's start spinning. Little bit of tension on this. Get our first little cloud. I'm trying out the slower speed on my Ashford traditional. But of course, I broke my yarn already. Come on. Maybe I'm just dumb a bit, but on my e-spinner, I put a loop in this in the leader yarn. It felt so much better, so I guess let's make a loop in this one too. Make it quite large. There. Fix all my problems. Or not. There we go. Start over. As I was saying, trying the slower speed on this because alpaca fiber is well, my alpaca is a quite long fiber, so I heard you don't need as much twist. I don't know. I also feel that for a sweater I don't need as much twist in my yarn than sock yarn does. I don't know, might be wrong, but let's try this anyway. I just finished my sock yarn, the Hobbit one that you should have seen 2 weeks ago probably. And this feels so much different. The alpaca is so soft it feels like I'm spinning through butter. That's amazing. It might be one of my favorite fiber, even if it doesn't bounce as much as like wool does. The drape is not the same, it doesn't have as much memory, but it's a very tough fiber. Well, that was a very productive D&D session. We made an entire bobbin, and we have less than half of the floofs that we've come. So it's chugging along, chugging along. And welcome back! We got our beautiful 2 single bobbin of alpaca fleece, and it's time to ply. But I don't have a lazy Kate, so I thought of a solution, and we'll see if it works. Behold my my invention! It's just a piece of string with my 2 bobbins on it, but I feel like it's gonna work. I don't know. I think I'll do a bandolier and just wear it while I ply. I think that's gonna be the best idea. So I can take it off. Alright, let's just make a small knot in this. Sure, that's gonna work. The idea is just that the bobbins won't run around the entire place while I ply. There we go. Beautiful. Alright. Oh, I need to attach my new leader. I got a beautiful rainbow yarn from an old some scrap yarn from a pair of socks I knitted years ago. So let's attach the leader and start plying. It seems to be working. I need to pull harder on the singles, but it's working. But I think this is not. Yeah, this is should go here. Like this. Alright. Flying time. I found a better solution. Just 2 old knitting needles, and I hold it with my tie on my chair, and it seems to do the trick. It works as good as any lazy Kate I had. Well, the one I had for my electric eel. Yeah, you don't need any fancy equipment if you can DIY yourself some. So, as you can see, the bobbin is a bit full. And, well, if you look at these two, this one is empty, this one still has quite a bit on it. So what I'll do is I'll empty the bobbin on my needy nuddy, and then I'll make a plank bracelet with this, and we'll empty the last bobbin. Coming to help me. Oh my god. Is this a good plank bracelet? Yeah, that's tummy approved. So yeah, we made 232 meters of alpaca yarn, and I'm really happy with the result. Just like the stock yarn I made last time, the twist is way better on this than what I managed to do on my other wheel. And maybe it's just I got better. Maybe it's the way it spins. Maybe it spins faster. The tension might be different. I don't exactly know, but the twist is way better. Is all I know. And yeah, so I'll add this to the pile. I think we are there, or we might need like one extra skein. I'll count and I'll check, but we might be making a sweater soon. So I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like this video if you like this kind of crafting videos that I make. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.